What's good? What's good? And welcome back to Investing with Jack. So I wanted to go over SafeMoon. Some juicy news has just been released. So we'll go over the news as well as the technical analysis. So we can see here in the last 24 hours, they're up 20%. We do see that 50% decrease in the last week, but we'll hop into that. But first, we're going to go to their Twitter. So they have announced that SafeMoon will soon be on Binance exchange, which is the biggest crypto trading platform in the Middle East. So that's what we've been waiting for. We heard here where SafeMoon is landing in the Middle East coming soon. I figured it would be an exchange, and it looks like it is Binance. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. There has been some other news released. If we scroll down, we have this funny little statement. If a coin has a larger number of users, then we'll list it. That's what Binance said. And then SafeMoon says, is 1.4 million holders enough? I love these guys. Their marketing and their tweets are hilarious. And then they also said, we've done it. You've done it. Fundraiser complete. Thank you so much. All go towards the SafeMoon exchange. So that's really exciting. The SafeMoon exchange now has enough money to get it off the ground. So that's definitely something that we'll all be looking forward to. But it's cool to see that we're seeing this new exchange. So I hopped over to CoinMarketCap to kind of find out some information. So founded in 2019, Binance describes itself as a global cryptocurrency platform that provides trading, exchange, and blockchain-based financial services. The Binance Exchange is a regulated exchange platform that addresses key challenges including security, liquidity, fiat to crypto transactions, and vice versa, and more. The exchange will initially launch with coins which have the highest demand in the market, particularly in the Middle East region. Any coins can be added further will be determined by management and client voting, given that chosen coins are eligible for insurance coverage. All right, guys, so here is the exchange. If you want to check it out, please do your own due diligence. But they are saying that it is the biggest exchange in the Middle East. Let's see here. Soon to be on the biggest crypto trading platform in the Middle East. So that's pretty exciting, guys. So let's quickly hop into the technical analysis. So in the last SafeMoon videos, we talked about the symmetrical wedge. And unfortunately, we broke down. Most likely what happened is people sold their SafeMoon to buy Refinable, and everybody was really upset with how that went down. But it looks like that's what happened, and we can see here we had that sell-off. All right, guys, so we found support at about 413. I'll just say the last digits because I don't want to say all the zeros. And then we started seeing some buying action. So probably a lot of people sold their Refinable and bought back into SafeMoon. Now, a key level here of support that is now turned into resistance is at about 489. So what we want to see is that we break through that level of resistance and turn it back into support, because if we can't break through that, well, that's bearish, guys. That's what we don't want to see. Let's quickly put it onto the 1 hour chart to see what's happening with the price action. Yeah, so we're seeing a lot of buying and selling. We see that green candle has just started to break through. So what we want to see is we're able to turn that back into support, and then we can start trending back upwards for SafeMoon. However, I'm just going to quickly put it back onto the 4 hour. However, if we're unable to do that and the bears step in, well, we'll most likely come down for a double bottom at 413. We can see here on the 4 hour on the MACD, it's just crossing over the signal line, which is bullish. We want to see that, but you can see back here, it crossed over the signal line and then went right back underneath. So what we want to see is that we break that resistance at 489, and then we can start creating higher highs and higher lows. Right here, we're almost creating a higher high, which is what we want to see. And we have that key level of resistance that still hasn't been broken at 587. So we can see here on the 1 day that the 20 EMA is starting to catch back up to the candles, which is a bullish sign. That's what we want to see. We want to find support along the 20 EMA. And we can see here the MACD has come back down towards the signal line. So what we want to see is that the MACD stays above the signal line, because if we see that bearish cross, we could sell off more to that bottom support at about 337. So we don't want to see that for SafeMoon. Now, we haven't had much volume lately with SafeMoon, which is bearish. As you can see here, we've had descending volume. So we need that volume to pick up again. Obviously, the entire market has quite a bit less volume with this correction, but we'd like to see these 20 and the 50 EMA come back underneath the candles. But the key level right now is breaking this resistance at 489 and turning into support, because if we don't do that, well, we sell off and we go back down to find support at 413. And if we break that support, we come back down to 337. All right, guys. So hopefully we're able to turn that level into turn that resistance into support and start trending back upwards for SafeMoon. All right, so that's it for SafeMoon. Awesome to see that they're on another exchange. They're on so many exchanges now, which is great. I think they talked about it right. Where was the post where they talked about all the exchanges? Right here. So who's holding SafeMoon? 60 plus days old and already listed on 6+ exchanges with 3 billion plus market cap and 41% of the tokens already burnt. So it's awesome to see this company progress, this company grow, and for all of us holding SafeMoon, it's exciting times to see this new exchange in the Middle East as well. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.